Polo, so what's up? So mortuary. We've been expecting your reply. We've not heard anything from you guys. I hope everything is fine. Challenge accepted. Myself and IYABO Ojo, and if IYABO Ojo is scared, maybe it should be LIZZY Anjorin. Sorry, Dr. Chief Mrs. LIZZY Anjorin Lawal versus Paul Low. IYABO, look at your life.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, LIZZY Anjorin ń para o, ń para gidi gan ni. Ó ní pé òun fẹ́ bá IYABO Ojo, òun fẹ́ bá jà. Ó ní tí IYABO Ojo tí ó bá jáde láàyè wípé kí òpin òun náà máa lè. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, wàhálà lákọ ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bọ̀ yìí, wàhálà ló ń bọ̀ báyìí o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí LIZZY Anjorin tí ó sọ.
Yellow. Mo trend ju yálà yellow. Rò pé gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe yẹn rò pé cruise ni. It's not cruise. You okay? Gbogbo wa tó yẹn is not cruise. It is personal. Like I said in my video yesterday night, tí mo ṣe ń padà bọ̀ lálẹ́, I said those people that had fight, ring fight, that was normal fight. My fight with you is going to be revenge scores. Ṣé mo pé ó ti pẹ́ tó ti ń ṣorí burúkú ẹ̀? Ó ti pẹ́ tó ti ń ṣorí burúkú ẹ̀. Èmi ò bẹ́ mu ní kékeré, mi dẹ̀ bẹ́ ṣeré. Mo pé the worst thing tó lè ṣe fún people like me that mind my business, I dance to promote my business. Ó mọ̀ pé ohun tó wà lẹ́yìn ìfàjèjì lọ. Ṣebí wọ́n ló ń juwọ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀, ṣebí wọ́n ló call me out. Ṣebí olórí burúkú bending roller waist kẹ̀kẹ́ bàjẹ́ kò ṣe repair. Èyí dí ọ̀tí polo tí pampers fúru ẹ̀ tó jọjú orí ẹ̀ lọ. Èyí tí gbogbo fúru ẹ̀ ti bẹ́ ṣúkẹ́ṣúkẹ́ yẹn. You are nobody. Yí ẹ̀ máa jẹ gbákú ni. Yí ẹ̀ máa jẹ ìyàkú ni. Orí gbogbo fídíò ìwé go viral, punch everywhere, ó lọ fà. Everywhere scatter. Ògo ló ń sọ̀rọ̀, ògo tó ń gbógo mi. Àwọn pé tí wọ́n bá ń gbàdúrà níbì kan lọ́nà tí máa dáhùn àdúrà èèyàn. Ìwọ kẹ́ máa fi yín là ní, máa fi yín lówó, máa fi yín jẹ èèyàn, ẹ máa sáré kú ni. Ìwọ tó kẹnu bọ̀rọ̀ family oní family. Ṣé bọ́wọ́ ni ìyá àsìnkú? Ìwọ ló máa mọ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ẹbí ẹlẹ́bí. Anything that happens to you is a consequence of your actions. Ṣé ìwọ nìkan ló wà ní film industry? Or anybody ní film industry kó máa ṣorí burúkú tó ń ṣe kiri? Kò sí. Ó ti ṣe ohun tẹ́nìkan ò ṣe rí, ojú ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ rí nǹkan tẹ́nìkan ò rí. I've been expecting the so mortuary, àbí so ambulance, àbí so whatever. Your executive producer, lórí burúkú oní fake life IYABO. So executive producer ẹ ló tún organize show fún Mohbad. Orí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣẹ̀sìn. Èmi náà ni mo wọ́n tó ń pa mí lẹ́rìn. So mortuary executive producer ẹ, òun ló arrange show fún Mohbad. Orúkọ ò dẹ̀ jáde rárá. Orúkọ Paul ló jáde ní Gist Lover. The same so mortuary ló arrange ìjà. Okay, ó ti yé mi. So executive producer ti tiẹ̀ yẹn á wá arrange ìjà fún èmi àti ẹ. Ìwà dẹ̀ jáde láàyè, wàá jáde lóòyè, wàá máa lọlé. Èmi ò ń ṣe wèrè bí titi ẹ. Mi ń ṣe olórí burúkú bí tiwa àti Polo. Ó rí pé evidence mo gbé jáde láàárọ̀, ó rí pé everywhere scatter. Because a lot of people don't actually know that. So mortuary was the one that organized Mohbad's event. I mean, few hours before his death. The same so mortuary happens to be your executive producer. Then so mortuary becoming your executive producer after Mohbad's death. Is that a compensation or allegedly? Then he's now the one organizing fight. And why is Polo not coming on ring with me? At least let's settle this cause. IYABO, okay, if Polo is, because I heard Polo has been bedwetting since yesterday. I understand the paper pass here, Gbogbo furo wèrè ló ti bẹ́ ṣúkẹ́ṣúkẹ́. Okay, if Polo is being scared of Chief Lawal, let it be between myself and Polo, since Polo was the first person that called me out. Then Polo versus Lizzy, Lizzy versus IYABO OJO. I'll do both of you. I'll take both of you. And remember, we are coming with coffins. Not just one, but 2 coffins. One for you, IYABO Alice Ojo, one for Polo. What a shame. Polo, you are a disaster, you are a disgrace, you are a nuisance. Imagine saying so mortuary should set a ring between myself and IYABO after using me to collect public donations. And you even said they should provide doctors and ambulance. You lẹ́nu wo lórí burúkú tí ò bá sí lórí burúkú IYABO OJO tọ́lọ́run ti fi kú ọmọ dá lóró. Imagine what laziness and being broke reduced IYABO OJO to. You see, there is something you need to value in life. Ó yẹ kó ti yé yín. Kí ló dé tí Polo, why are you not bringing your first wife? I mean, the one that had children for you, we don't even know if you are the father, because the way you are shaking. Polo, go and pay attention to that your leaking furrow. Go and pay attention to it. Olórí burúkú ni gbogbo yín, so mortuary. You saw what I just posted. I googled everything. At least Google cannot lie. Google is our friend. Join me in the evening. It's going to be loud. You will love it. Ẹ̀yin àgbàlagbà, ẹ mọ bí tí mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ ló yẹ kó ti yé yín. Polo àti Soso mortuary ni wọ́n organize show few hours. Kọ́mọ ti bí tó palẹ̀ mọ́. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé àfojúdi ló pàyà ẹ̀? Bó ṣe lọ fojú di mí nìyẹn ló ń dájú slova tí mo expose ìyálà ya ẹ̀. Wọ́n pa àfojúdi ló pàyà ẹ̀. Tó fi lọ ń sọ̀rọ̀ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn bloggers. Tó lọ ń fèmí ṣe fracas. Mo máa yọ glove lọ́wọ́ máa fún ya ẹ̀ ní smackdown. Ọmọ àbẹ̀nú mò ń jágbàdo. Mo pause the video and mo fi ń jágbàdo. Because mo feel cool. You know, when you are winning, when you are trending, IYABO OJO ṣe fíìmù olórí burúkú ó tà. Easy ló ń tà. Ma yọ glove lọ́wọ́ ma fún ya ẹ ní smackdown ni. O ní bombe. Kú ẹ̀ náà máa gbé jáde. Soso Brenko àbí Soso kí lẹ ń pè? Soso mortuary. Executive producer ti tiẹ̀. Ó ṣàrí tó lórí burúkú bending roller waist kẹ̀kẹ́ bàjẹ́ kò ṣe repair. Ó ṣà ń tàgì ẹ̀ Soso mortuary, Soso ambulance. Ẹ̀mí tèmi lẹ́fẹ́ fi sanwó fíìmù tẹ́ ṣe fíìmù. Ẹ̀mí IYABO Alice Ojo, ẹ̀mí àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ àtolórí burúkú bending roller waist. Ọ̀run àfẹ̀mí yín ṣòfò. You see, there are some things you do. It takes ẹni tó bá lójú inú, tó bá lọ́pọlọ, tó bá jọmọ ẹ̀mí. Owó tẹ́ gbà, ọmọ tí bí lẹ fẹ̀mí ẹ̀ fi san. No wonder Polo and Soso mortuary never featured under Gistlover. Instead, you, IYABO OJO, dragged Naira Marley. You and Polo dragged Naira Marley, lied against Naira Marley. Àṣé nítorí owó fíìmù lẹ ṣe palẹ̀ mọ́ ọmọ lọ́mọ. Mo ń bọ̀ wá fún ìyá ẹ̀ lálẹ́ 2 fight ni. Polo, ebe mi ni Ìdúmàtà. O ní ṣerú ẹ̀ mọ́. Soso mortuary AD is when you roll with jobless IYABO OJO. IYABO OJO will always help you to finish your career. Nobody will ever move with IYABO OJO that your life will never remain the same. You will be destroyed. Because IYABO OJO, it's someone that always look for downfall of people. And to So mortuary, after you gave money to IYABO OJO to produce, now me and IYABO OJO should come into ring. I accepted it. Yes, challenge accepted. And I want 3 in 1. Myself and IYABO OJO. Myself and Polo. Mr. Lawal versus Polo. That is how I want it. And I challenged you. So mortuary, let's go there, pick a date. Number be pori yala yaeda. And you lori buruku. This one, no be say they carry person picking go mortuary. This time around, now people they carry somebody picking go mortuary. We they carry go mortuary. So be ready.